So we just officially passed the first phase of this $5,000 Fundednext account. Congratulations to us, guys.
So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of the day you're watching this. So today, today's Tuesday. What date is that? August 5th. So we're gonna be checking out the markets. Let's see what we can do. Right. Basically, I'm trading gold. I'm trading gold. So I'm basically trading gold for now. Right. So what am I looking out for in gold? Yeah, for this week, I'm still looking for a very strong buy. Let's go to the daily time frame. On the daily, we saw how much movement we had last week. That was on Friday. It was this strong bullish engulfing candlestick that took this spike up. Actually missed this particular trade. I was busy and there's something about commitment. So I couldn't take this trade. So you see this bullish engulfing candlestick very strong on the daily time frame. So what are we looking for right now? Let's go to the 4 hours. This particular trade you see here was analyzed on Sunday, and I couldn't take this particular trade on my personal account though because it happened during the night and I was asleep, so I missed out of that trade. Funny. funny. But right now, what am I expecting to do on gold? Now, my entry model is simply major demand zone or supply zone, which happens mostly on 4 hours in a continuous trade, and in a weekly recap or weekly analysis, major demand or supply zones on daily time frame. So this is 4 hours time frame. I'm looking at the nearest demand zone, which is here, right here. We are here at 33.57.58 zone. That is our nearest demand zone. Let me bring this horizontal line down there. So this is our nearest demand zone. I'm thinking the market might tap into this place before we continue buy. It might not get there. It might. Let's see how it goes. But I'm expecting market to tap into this zone. That's on 4 hours. Let's go to 1 hour. What do we see? Yeah, you can see this is a according to one of the courses I bought recently, it's a very strong zone for me. A recency or frequency zone, as you may call it. So it's a very strong zone for gold to continue buying to the upside. That is if we get there anyway, because right here we are, it's also a demand zone on the 1 hour time frame. The market is already reacting to it, but I'm not trading yet. I'm not trading until I see market tap into this zone. And even though when we tap into this zone, I might not just enter immediately. I'm going to look for candle reactions and see. But this is my nearest POI. Let me just mark it out. My nearest POI for today is here. 33.58. And my SL is 100 pips, so 33.48. My SL is 100 pips. Then that means I'm simply risking 100 pips to get at least. I'm saying market to come to this place. That is 58, 33.58, 68, 78, 78. That is 200 pips. I'm looking at for 300 pips on this trade minimum. So that is 88, 58, 68, 78, 88. 88. So this region is our TP. So let's see how markets react to this point. Let's see how it goes, and I'm just waiting for. You can see on 1 hour this demand zone is very clear here. It's very clear, and this candle gave us a break above. This particular candle gave us a break above to this point. Then now we're having a little bit of retracement. Hopefully we tap into this place and we'll see how far it goes. So hopefully market taps into this place and we'll see what we can do about that, and we'll roll from there. I keep you guys updated. Let's check 45 minutes time frame and see how strong that zone could be. Now we see a very good zone. 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes. It's actually looking more close on 15 minutes time frame. So let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. So see you guys next time. Bye bye. I eventually made a second entry as liquidity zone, right? So, and I think I'm gonna close it now. I'm already 260 pips up in profits. And remember, I said my TP is one to my risk reward is 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. So I think I'm gonna be closing this right now. I'm kind of very much okay with this, guys. I'm closing this. Such a very good start for us, guys. Thank you for staying by. I'm closing. Welcome. So I'm done with this for today. See you next time. So this trade has really been playing with me. It's almost hit my break even, and it looks kind of I don't know. Just little pips away from my TP, and as it is right now, it seems I'm gonna be closing this because it's already evening time and market is slow and all of that. So I think we are good for now. We'll continue in passing these accounts probably whenever it is. I just close it. So 170 pips secured. We have $50 left to pass this account. Of course, markets could be very funny. It might end up reaching our TP and all of that, but we're cool. So I'm seeing a potential drop there though. I'm seeing a potential drop. See, look at it. Let me show you, because this is a supply zone and market seems to be reacting to it too. We are done for the day. So we basically close this, not at our desired TP, but we're still cool. 170 pips is not bad. It's not bad. Held this trade for a very long time. It's crazy. How many hours is that? So I had this trade for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. So I'm seeing kind of potential drop from here, and that was why it closed. So all good. We move again. You see, it's already dropping, and it might eventually go back to our TP though. But we're cool for now. See, there's a sharp drop again. Probably dropping down to this major demand here, probably, but it's okay. It's all good. Let's see how far God helps us to pass these accounts, if possibly this week or not. All cool. Hey guys, so today is the third day of trading this particular account with you all here. I mean, today is Thursday, August 7th, and as it is right now, good eventually came after dropping to my supposed break even that no closed. Eventually went all back up and clear my supposed TP for yesterday. However, I think I'll be looking for a sell this morning. I'll be looking for a sell opportunity this morning. Based on this, the supply zone good has been rejecting it since yesterday. It's a risk I think I'm willing to take. If I enter the trade, I will let you guys know and see. However, note that I'll be reducing my risk on this account since we are left with just $50 to pass. I'll be reducing my risk to 0.05. That is $50. I'll be risking this $50 on it first. That means I'll be reducing my lot size as well. So I'm looking at entering here, but let me see. Ideally, I don't like entering trades very early in the morning like this. This is just 7:17 a.m. So I might just have to enter this. I just entered the sell on gold. It's very risky, and this man just it's a sell because gold is very crazy with sales. I don't like selling gold at all. So my sale is just $48, risking the $50 on it. And here's my TP. Since you're looking for just $50. I'm not okay with this trade. Like seriously, guys. I'm not. For a bit, I'm not. So I'm in. Let's see how it goes. Actually closed the first entry, the first sell. I closed it, and luckily immediately I closed it, market already tapped into my supposed sell. So I just entered the sell now to take a quick scalp of just the $50 that we need. Hopefully we don't hit SL before we get there, right? So let's see how it goes.
So guess what? And we just passed the first phase of this challenge account. We just passed this first phase. Here is it. So my first sell that I entered this morning, I cancelled it. The second one, it's SL, and the third one I finally entered, and we hit CP $100, and this is it. We're up $400 on this account, and the target is $400, and this is it. So we just officially passed the first phase of this $5,000 Fundednext account. Congratulations to us, guys. There's the login account. Let's check it. Dashboard. See dashboard. Profit loss 407, 8%, 8 point something percent. So we're up to the next phase. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Passed. Congratulations to us once again. So we are pumped to see what God is going to help us to achieve in the next phase. Congratulations, guys.
It's very late in the night and I'm taking this buy on good. The way the market is fluctuating right now, this is my 8 SL, but hopefully we don't. Just 200 pips profit targets. Hopefully we hit it and we call it passed on this account. Hopefully we hit TP. I don't know wherever it is. So here is the trade, here is my TP. So I'm risking 100 pips as usual. Let's see how this goes, guys. Here is it, the second phase of the account. Guys, it's very late in the night. I'm still holding this trade. We spent just less than an hour on this trade. Hopefully it hits our TP very soon. There's about 70 pips left to go. It almost caught my break even though, but well, let's see how it goes. Whatever happens, we cool. Guys, let's hope for the best on this trade. I just want TP. Just this single trade could help us pass this phase 2, right? So that's what I'm hoping for. So guys, good morning. We hit break even on this trade. Where is it? Reach break even. Imagine less than 70 pips to TP, and you don't being caught out of the trade, and the trade is eventually going back up, but just so much sleep in my eye right now. It's quite annoying, right? So however, probably till next week, or if this trade is I could still enter, just to keep you guys updated.